Assalamualaikum and hello doctor. I want to present about proposal of Human Resource Information System Employee Performance Management, which is HRDeal. Our project team has proposed a HRIS system, which is HRDeal, that is specifically designed with an adaptable solution regarding the performance management system in the company. HRDeal is a system that will develop to facilitate the implementation of the employee's performance system. HRDeal also was designed to allow employees to check their performance result and allow evaluators to manage and access all of employee personal data in one place. Then a project team must have the project leader and team members. The leader in this project is Human Resource Manager. She will be responsible to lead a project success and have received the necessary training. The leader of a project is responsible to lead a project to success. The leader must be expert in the area they are expected to lead and plan out clearly how, when, and what has to be done to accomplish the project's objective. Also need to have a good relationship with top management and can work comfortably.
So, for the database flow chart system of HRDeal, there are two types of user login, which is employee and evaluator. For employee login, firstly, after they log in into the HRDeal system, it will be instantly connected to their own profile. Next, it will be directly linked to their task system, which contain the KPI for specific tasks that they should complete. Then, it will be directly connected to the employee rating system, where they could check whether the tasks that they do are meet the KPI or not. Afterward, it will directly link to the goal system. Lastly, it will be directly linked to the feedback system. Meanwhile, for the evaluator login, after they log in, it will directly link to the department system, where they could choose the employee that they want to evaluate. After choose the certain employee from a certain department, it will directly link to the employee profile, where they could see the certain data such as the employee ID number. Afterward, the evaluator will key in the employee ID number to rate their score in the rating system. Then, it will directly link to the goal system. Lastly, it will be directly linked to the feedback system, where they could write the feedback on the employee performance.
Next, I will explain about functionality of the HRDeal system. First, feature is appraisal, which is this feature is evaluated based on the KPIs that have been set by the organization in the settings, such as the productivity, efficiency, timeliness, communication, and others. The data or merits that have been filled in will be calculated automatically and help to calculate the assessment easier, faster, and organized. The second feature is goals and OKR. In this feature, HRDeal system empowers the employees to plan what they should be doing it and how it will push the business. The third feature is feedback. In this feature, HRDeal system built an agile performance culture by providing people, leaders, the tools to record, engage, and nudge employees at critical time.
Okay, I will continue with talent development. It will help HRDeal to inspire greatness and accelerate career growth with actionable development plans and nurture and retain the best talent. After that, HRDeal will help the employer learn how to drive employees, identify potential hotspots that require fix, and deliver exceptional employees experience. Lastly, type of report. After getting the result of performance, the value will auto-generate in the form such as graph, chart, bar graph, and so on.
Okay, so for non-functionality part, we have three types of user. Firstly is admin. As an HR administrator, they can access the HRDeal system to repair, update, and upgrade any employee-related data. An HR administrator ensure that the human resource department is appropriately entering data and creating key HR papers. And secondly is employees. Employees can update their basic information in HRDeal system without involving the HR staff. As a result, the HR team has more time to devote to more critical and challenging activities. The HRDeal will give a database with all of the essential information so that employees can access it whenever they need it. Besides, they can also access to check their own KPI, profile, and also can give the feedback performance of the other employees and their top manager. Lastly, evaluator, they include a manager, supervisor, and also top management. They can key in KPI data of their employees, can rate employees' performance, and can assess the department that is related with their department in purpose to evaluate their employees. Next is integration with external or internal system. Integration with the internal system that happens in a company which is in the performance department will relate with the rewards department for salary increase, promotion to higher position, bonus, and others. Performance will be evaluated, and if it reaches the target, the employees have the right to get any rewards from the employer. System performance also relates with the training. When the employees get the perfect training, they will make a contribution to the company and show good performance. If the employees do not prove their ability and performance, they must attend the training program to improve their skills.
Next, we continue with the strength of our system. HRDeal are designed with many features and various types of rating score. It can help for documentation purpose by creating performance records for each employee. It can also help to develop a structured system to enhance communication between the employer and employee. Besides, it can also help to encourage the development of solutions to enhance employees' performance. It can also provide feedback to the employees to motivate them to improve their performance. And not to forget, this system can also help to create a comprehensive pay strategy based on the performance data. However, there are also some limitations of this system that need to be addressed. The first thing to consider is bugs. To help overcome this issue, the management need to invest in the maintenance process. But if the company want to avoid this cost of maintenance, they need to hire a specialist or vendor to consult and help with the development process of the system. Besides, we also need to consider the knowledge and skills limitation for the employees. Thus, company need to help the employees to adapt with the new system by providing them a proper training. Next, the legal issues that are related to employees' performance is unfair dismissal. If an employee fails to continuously maintain great performance at work, employer will tend to dismiss them from the company. Employees are always said to give 3 written warnings before proceed to dismiss the employees. However, according to the Employment Act and the Malaysian case law, there is no specific requirements that needed employees to give 3 warnings. There are only 3 general criteria to dismiss an employee. The 3 criteria are: first, the worker must receive warning regarding their poor performance, receive appropriate opportunity to develop, and the last one is the employee did not improve their performance. That's all from our group. Thank you.